is yung medium. Yung medium. Ano yung gamit nila? No? So, if you are a cyber artist, o yung tinatawag na graphic artist, o ano pa, o yung sa computer, no? So, you use your medium. Pwedeng sa computer, pwedeng painting, pwedeng yung pen and paper, ganyan, no? Black and white. Ano pa? The subject, above the subject, they have a tip for the subject. So what's the subject all about? Halimbawa, no, yung kung gusto nilang i-promote yung tungkol sa tawag dito, ecology, no? Kung drawing yan ng mga bundok, no? Bundok na yung nasisira na yung mga halaman, no? O kaya pollution. Si Vincent van Gogh, no? Talagang nakilala siya, hindi nung panahon niya, nung pakamatay siya. Kasi talagang he loved to share his talent sa mga pisang, no? Kaya nga mayroong kantang Starry, Starry Night, blue and gray, perhaps they will listen now. Now I understand what you tried to say to me. Oh, you said society, now to celebrate. They will not listen now. Perhaps they listen now. Maganda nun. Kaso, ano sila eh, some of the artists, nagkakaroon ng frustrations. No? Bakit? Kasi, sometimes, we do, tawag dito yung negative comments sa kanila. No? Ibig na outlet sila, ma-promote sila, listen. Hindi para makilala. Hindi para makilala. Kundi, to know the message, di ba?